Hello everyone. Now that you've made all your final corrections on your paper, I'm going to show you how to merge your sentences into one typical looking paper. Okay, the first thing we need to do is open a second paper and have two windows open on your desktop at the same time. So you can go up here to Microsoft Word and just click and ask for a new paper. Blank document. There you go. Now you've got another one. Another way to do it is to just have your cursor somewhere on your white page, hold Control down with one finger and click N, and you get a second page. Now I'm going to take this and resize it. Once I have both documents open, I'm going to go up to the top of each document and make sure that my view is set at one page. Then I'll scroll up and make sure I am at the top of each document. Now, on my first page, I'm going to come to the end of the last sentence on the first page. I'm going to hold down my left click button and roll up and highlight all of those boxes. Then I'm going to use my right click button and slide down here to where it says Merge Cells. Now all the sentences in my first paragraph are together. Again, I'm going to come to the end of this sentence, the last sentence of the paragraph, slide up, and I want to make sure I get only the text. I don't want that. I don't want the whole cell like that. I want just the text. So it should look like that. You have to be a little bit careful when you do it. Then I'm going to copy it, come on over to this document on the left, and paste it. Then I'm going to take away the unnecessary spaces by deleting. I'm going to make sure that I put a space between my periods and the beginning of my next sentence. Then I'll come to the beginning of the paragraph and push my Tab key to get a nice indent. I'll come to the end of the first paragraph, add two spaces, come back to this document and slide down to the next page and repeat the process. Highlight, right click, merge, select the sentences, copy them, paste them, and delete the spaces. I'm going to go ahead and do that with each of the pages in this paper. When I have everything copied over to this document, the document on the right should look like this. The cells should be merged, but all the sentences should be there. Then I can close this document. Don't save it. We want it saved the way it was saved before. We don't want all of these changes saved. So don't save it, just close this document. And let's look at this document. Now that it's all on one page, we're going to put it in the format that teachers like to receive papers. We're going to highlight it. We're going to click on our home page button. Then we're going to come over here to the paragraph button. Slide down here where it says line spacing single. Click it to say double. And you should have 0 here and 0 here. Then click OK, and you have a double-spaced paper. The last thing to do is to change your view to page width and read through it carefully to see if you find any green underlined squigglies or red underlined squigglies that would tell you that you have a grammar or a spelling error. Oh, right there. I've got a green squiggly right there. At our house, our New Year's Eve party is the best holiday because if I click on that, the only thing they changed is they took out a space. Boom, there it is. But I forgot an indent. I'm going to put my indent there. I'll go down carefully. Oh, I have a green squiggly right there. That means I have too many spaces between my quotation mark and my comma. Oh, I forgot to take out this space, so I'm going to put that in. After a period, there's two spaces. I forgot to indent here, so I'm going to indent there, take that space out, add another space there. Oh, New Year's Day should have a capital. I'm going to fix that. Have an extra space there. Oh, it says I have a fragment here. Let's see why. On every trip to the mountain, oh, I thought I put a comma there, but I put a period. Now it's right. You rock, he shouted. Now they're saying this should be a capital, but you have to know that the reason they're saying that is because this isn't close enough to the quotation mark. Now they know that this is part of the same sentence. So the grammar checker can identify a problem, but it doesn't always give you the right solution. You have to know what you're doing. Here's another grammar checker, and again, it's just about a space. I have an extra space there. Here I should indent. There's an extra space between these two paragraphs I need to get rid of. Forgot to indent there. Once I indent there, I need to take that away. And then I need to add that. So we have to take our time and make sure that our spaces and our formatting is nice. Okay, we've transitioned here. Your next video will be about how to put a title and heading on your page. So change your paper up and then go on to the next video.